It's the last week of 2023, and normally by now I'd have a fully edited rewind video good to go and upload. But this year I have nothing. So I'm making this video instead, and I think it's probably a bit more appropriate for the videos that I've made on my channel this year anyway. At the start of last year, I spent a lot of time reminiscing about 2022 and the memories I made, and I also spent a lot of time thinking about how I wouldn't be going back to university for the next 8 months because I'd be on work placement, working a job that I might hate. I split my channel into chasing views rather than making videos for fun, and there was a lot that I had pushed down that I just kept ignoring. Being at the end of another year, I think I can finally appreciate the new year, because this year taught me a lot. It taught me not to dwell on the past, never forget why you started, and everything eventually comes to an end, but that's the beauty of it. It taught me sometimes you do just have to let go because there is nothing that you can do. It taught me to stop paying attention to what people think of me, to just make whatever videos I want to, and to never let other people stop me from having fun. It taught me that it's okay to feel lost, that everything happens for a reason, and how much you can change in a short space of time. So even though I have no idea what's going to happen next year, I am so excited to see what 2024 brings, and I just wanted to say thank you for hitting that like button, smashing subscribe, and watching the videos this past year. It means the world to me. And I guess I'll see you guys in the new year. Goodbye.